Okay, today we're going to look at the Noco GCP1. This is an AC port plug that goes on pretty much anything you want. Get it out here, show it off. So basically it creates a pass-through so you don't have to open up a vehicle compartment or whatever to plug a power cord in. Packaged really well. So here's the unit itself, and it's rubber right there. Lets you plug your extension cord in there. It's got a real nice seal, and then it's also got a rubber gasket around it. It does come with the needed screws. And this can run inside your compartment. So what I'm going to use this for is to hook up a battery tender to my school bus. And that way I don't have to open the battery compartment, hook up a battery charger. I'm just going to leave everything mounted in there, plugged into this, and it'll make it super easy to plug it in, keep it charged. So yeah, this will save you a lot of time.